I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
I'm not 100% sure what this game is called. I know I call it a chase game because it's like the bags, you just want to chase. And the missus calls it, Big Daddy, you're an idiot, because you like the chase on these games. But if you take a look at all three of those guys, they are so close to popping. So we're going to give it a try. Why not? Let's go see what we could do, baby. We got $200 in the machine. We are on nickel denom. We are going to do 440 bets and see if we can hit anything here. So again, if you get any of those colored like chips or rockets, they shoot up and then it can pop the bags. And then the wilds are these symbols right over here are your wild ones. So ultimately what I would love to see is having all three of them land and getting all three, which would be an awesome bonus. But we'll see what we could do. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. Thank you so much for checking this out. Oh, did we get two? Did we get two? No. Oh, it didn't line up. Oh, you moved those guys down here. Got a nice little win there. Oh, we hit it. We got the double up, guys. We got the double up. Come on. All right, betting 440. All right, I'm going to pull back. Pull back. There we go. Whoops. Sorry, the camera's moving. Trying to hold the camera and hit it. Huh? Oh, mini. Mini's $50. Another mini, $50. We will take it, baby. Let's go. Nice. There we go. Those are $250 each. All right. If you fill up either side, you do win the grand, which this is the high limit version of the rocket game. So filling it up would be very nice. Very nice. There we go. Keep it coming, baby. Keep it coming. Oh, nothing on either one there. Got a minor? Got an R. Kelly in there, baby? Come on. Oh. All right, let's see what we got. Both games complete. Again, we were betting 440, guys. Nice. It's almost 50 times, like 40 times. 177. We will take it, baby. Let's go. Right. There we go. All right. Well, you know, you got to do your backup spins. See if we can get these other ones to pop. I was going to say, give a purple one. Let's get a green and a purple at the same time. Oh, we didn't connect on anything there. Oh, we had a couple wilds in the middle, but didn't connect. Oh, there we go. Pop both. Pop both. Oh, nothing. Come on. $2 hit there. Oh, we got a couple of purples. Nope, nothing there. I don't think this game has a random trigger feature thing. No. Oh, out both of them. Oh, that's what we want. 2 of those would be awesome. Oh, nothing. Red's got a long ways to go. Yeah, Red's got a long way to go get up there. Watch. Now the Red's gonna build like all the way back up. Uh-oh, we got a mini green and another green and nothing. All right, come on now. All right, $4. Yeah, the line hits are tough unless you kind of get it going all the way. Oh, yeah, the Red's building back up, but we're not landing anything with it. That's the problem. Another purple. Nothing. Oh, we got a green and a red. Nope, the green's still not popping. Wow. Couple of reds there. Nothing. Yeah, this is where you could chase in this game and just not get anything on it. Like nothing at all. Oh, got a red and a green. All right, we're gonna go a couple more because I am definitely not chasing. Not gonna chase. Not gonna do it. All right, one more. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I think we made a whopping like maybe 5 cents or lost 5 cents. Who knows? But we had a good time. We were able to show you the bonus, so I hope you did as well. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already there, and definitely check out one of Big Daddy's live streams with the C-Town crew. We have a blast. I'll see you all next time. Can't wait. Love y'all. Peace.